Hi everybody, I'm Aaron from Mr. Mechanic. Wanted to show you something what's going on with what we see a lot, customers brake pads. These are from a 2023 Volkswagen Taos that actually has an electronic sensor that's supposed to tell you when your pads are, I believe it's has 2 millimeters left. This sensor apparently failed because there's 0 pad left on these brakes. It's just the metal plate that the pad material gets adhered to. So what can happen when it gets this bad is it can actually get spit out completely. So you have what's called a caliper piston that will push it along the outside of this brake. This side there's a rotor that spins with your wheel, and when that caliper pushes, it stops your vehicle. Well, when these get spit out, what can also happen is now the caliper is pushing against your rotor, and all that stuff gets damaged, costing way more money than if this was replaced before the pad was completely gone. Well, unfortunately, we see this a lot, and in this scenario, instead of having the metal tabs like vehicles did for years that will squeal to let you know, a lot of manufacturers have switched to an electronic sensor that shines a light on your dash, and apparently that never happened with these. So if you do hear noise, get into a shop, come see us, we'll check them out, and then we'll let you know what the real deal is and get you guys a price and get you hooked up so you're safe and actually have brakes and this doesn't spit out on you when you're driving down the road.
Tell them to like, subscribe.
If you guys like what we're showing here on the YouTube channel, hit the like button, subscribe. I've got a lot more to come.
Leave a comment.
And let me know what you want to see. Leave a comment and we'll kind of go from there. But again, thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day.